Before I start the chapter, I will discuss some questions. First of all, what happened when milk left at a room temperature during the summer season? Second one is the iron article like pan, nails is exposed to the humid atmosphere. In previous classes, we already learned about the physical and chemical changes. If chemical changes occur, we can say that chemical reactions takes place. So in these classes, uh, how do we come to know that chemical reaction has taken place? First, when magnesium ribbon burned with magnesium ribbon burned with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. Magnesium ribbon is a metal. It reacts with oxygen. It gives magnesium oxide. It is a white ash. This is a chemical reaction. Second one is the when zinc react with dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, it gives ZnCl2 plus H2 hydrogen gas, ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas. In this process, hydrogen gas evolved. Hydrogen gas evolved. So, तो हम ये डिटरमाइन करेंगे कि हम किसी रिएक्शंस को केमिकल रिएक्शंस कैसे डिटरमाइन करेंगे. तो हम फर्स्ट इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस किए गए तो हम ये बता सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे केमिकल रिएक्शंस हुआ है. इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस, चेंज इन कलर, चेंज इन ऑर्डर. कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस के थ्रू हमने ये डिटरमाइन किया कि यहाँ पे केमिकल रिएक्शंस हुए हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल मैग्नीशियम रिबन को ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में जब बर्न किया गया तो व्हाइट कलर का मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बना with magnesium oxide. Same thing when zinc react with dilute HCl, it gives ZnCl2 and H2. हाइड्रोजन गैस यहाँ पे इवॉल्व हुआ. इवोल्यूशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस. Now we will discuss about the type of chemical reaction. First one is the combination reaction. Second one is the decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction, and fourth one is the double displacement reactions. Okay, first of all, combination reaction. When two or more reactant react to each other and form single product is called the combination reaction. Left hand side always reactant carry करेगा and right hand side always product. So suppose that when calcium oxide react with carbon dioxide, it gives calcium carbonate. It is a combination reaction. Two reactant combine to each other and form single product is called the combination reaction. Second one is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is the reverse of combination reaction. When single reactant decompose into more than one product is called the decomposition reaction. For example, FeSO4 ferrous sulfate react with decompose in the presence of heat, it gives Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. मीन्स यहाँ पे फेरस सल्फेट का डिकम्पोजिशन हुआ और फेरस सल्फेट फेरिक ऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड का नेचर एसिडिक नेचर बिकॉज इट इज नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड, एसिडिक नेचर. एंड फेरिक ऑक्साइड color brown in color after decomposition. Before decomposition, ferrous sulfate is a green in color. Second, displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is when one atom of compound A displaced to another atom of compound B is called the displacement reaction. Suppose that copper sulfate react with iron nails, it gives ferrous sulfate plus Cu, means iron displaced to the copper. In this reaction, reactivity series is most important. Means iron is more reactive than the copper. That's why iron displaces the copper and gives ferrous sulfate, which is green in color, and copper is brown in color, coating of iron. Second, double displacement reaction. In this reactions, the two reacting species exchange their ions. First of all, two reacting species exchange their ions is called double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is also known as the precipitation reaction. For example, Na2SO4 sodium sulfate react with barium chloride. Sodium sulfate react with barium chloride. It gives 2NaCl plus BaSO4. The two reacting species exchange their ion. Barium displaced to sodium and sodium displaced to barium. The exchange their ion, it form NaCl and barium sulfate, which is white in color, and this reaction is also known as precipitation reaction.